This is an interactive dashboard in Excel lead tracker template. This is ideal for sales review meetings when you want to look into details such as performance of each sales rep or market. You can create a similar interactive dashboard in Excel for any data set. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to share a video tutorial on how to make an interactive dashboard in Excel. Now, in the free LMS Lite, Lead Tracker Excel template, we have a static dashboard, a standard static dashboard with all the counter reports, standard counters like the ones that you see here, graphical representations, and tables to look at your monthly performance and your other important sales KPIs. In the LMS Lite Plus, we have included this interactive sales dashboard. Here you could filter the charts using three controls. Number one is the lead date, the month when the lead was added. For example, if you look at the data right now, the total sales so far for this company is 1.86 million. Now you can click on Jan to check Jan sales leads, which is 958,310. Similar, if you want to check details for February, the sale is 626,800. You can just click on this button and the filters would be removed, and now you could see the entire data. Second control here is the close date. This reflects sale as per month when the deal was closed, irrespective of when you received the inquiry. So in this case, how much sale was closed in January? So when you click on January, and we could see that we closed sales worth 449,360 in January. In Feb, we closed sales worth 253,500, whereas in the month of March, we closed sales worth 1.16 million. So out of all the sales that we closed in March, leads that were generated in January brought in 341,950. Leads generated in February brought in 540,300, and so on for the month of March. Again, if you remove this, the filter is removed and you get to see the entire data. The third control here is the names of sales rep. This lets you monitor the performance of every person in your sales team. So you can select names to filter all other charts. For example, we have 5 sales reps here: Anita, Jackson, Michael, Nitesh, and Ziba. So let's click on Anita. So we could see that Anita's sale here is 496,000, but we want to see her month-on-month sale and which countries and which sources and the status of her open leads. So let's click on Anita, and all the charts get filtered. So now we could see her total sale as earlier was 496,000. But here you could see that she has sales from UK, UAE, and India. Email and PPC are the lead sources that have been working well for Anita. She has 2 open deals. If you bring your mouse here, you could hover the mouse and you could see that there is one lead which is in warm and one which is cold. So there are only 2 open deals. So you could ask Anita that she needs to generate more leads. And here you could see her month-on-month performance. Similarly, you can check performance of each other rep. For example, Jackson only has sales from USA. And similarly, Michael, UK and UAE, you could see the number of open deals for Michael, similarly for Nitesh, and you could click here and the filter is removed. So we can look at country-wise performance, we could look at lead source performance, and you could add more filters if you would like. For example, you could add similar filters like the one that we have for sales reps. You can add a similar slicer for country. You can add a similar slicer for the lead source. So you can check performances, you can deep dive easily into your data using this interactive dashboard. So that's how easy it is to use an interactive dashboard in Excel. The link to download this template is mentioned in the video description. It comes with all other sheets like we have in the LMS Lite, the lead tracker, the static dashboard, and the new interactive dashboard. Now let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if you would like to see a demo for any other data set or use case. Now, when you download this template, the template would come with this sample data, which you see in the video right now, So you can use the sample data to work around the template and check the interactive sales dashboard. To start using, make a copy of the lead tracker and delete the dummy data. And every time that you add the data and you want to review the performance, just select any one of the charts here, go on PivotChart Analyze, click on Refresh, and then click on Refresh All. That's all that you have to do so that all the charts are updated with the latest data, and then you can start using the controls to work with this interactive dashboard and monitor your sales performance. Thank you very much.